I was looking for the world's cheapest multi-tool, so I picked up this. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda. I picked up this multi-tool here because I realized I was in my car trying to open up some stuff, and I didn't have a blade, I didn't have pliers, I had no tools. I have somehow failed in my manhood by not having a multi-tool, a cheap multi-tool, somewhere where it is actually going to be useful. So whether you're trying to do a quick fix on your car, a little bush fix, or open up that package of M&Ms that's in the family size grab bag that are kind of hard to open up, a multi-tool like this is going to be really helpful. First of all, we get a fairly cheap but usable little nylon pouch here, a little belt loop. So if you're going to pull this out of your car, your pack, put it on your belt, you can certainly do that. I picked up this one specifically because of how inexpensive it was. I think it was like under $9, 8 something. So I thought, seemed like the right dimension. Some of these, it's hard to tell in the pictures, are actually very, very small. They're only like 2 inches. But I think this one is about 4 inches, and that's enough. That's enough. 4 inches is enough. I'm telling you right now. A lot of people will disagree with that, but 4 inches is enough. It has this nice anodized orange look to it, so it's very bright. And what you can see here is it feels good in the hand, but what I want to show you is we get all your standard tools. So we get pliers right there, some wire cutters in there. We get a saw, look at that. We get a flathead screwdriver right there. We get a can opener and a bottle opener. That's a can opener right there, I believe. We get the bottle openers right here, but then we also get basically some wrenches right there. So some of your standard small bolt heads, you'd be able to open those up. And then on this side, what we get is, we get your standard knife. Looks like kind of a 2.5 inches there. Another bottle opener right there. Looks like we get a Phillips head screwdriver right down here. And then we also get, looks like a ruler right there. So, like all the things that you need, none of the stuff that you don't. Again, this isn't going to be all metal construction. These little black pieces right there are plastic. But the point of this is that you get the tools that you need to get you out of a jam if you are in one, or open a box, or open a package, or strip a nut, or cut a wire. Some of those things that we don't necessarily need overkill for. We just need the tool that we need. So if you want to pick this up without spending a lot of money, put it in your glove box, in your backpack, in your day pack, and sleep soundly at night because you have your tools at hand, then I'll put a link to this guy in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.